On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have a company here that apparently is very confident in their food products because the name of their company is Real Good Food Company. So we're going to see if this chicken enchilada meal is real good here on What It Looks Like, starting now.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, what it looks like?
Let's get the box open. Figure out the best way to open this. Oh, they come out in individual containers. Okay, to cook it in the oven, it says to remove the film. This film is hard to remove. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 6 servings per container. Serving size, 1 enchilada. Calories, 160. Total fat, 7 grams. Saturated fat, 4 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 55 milligrams. Sodium, 640 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 4 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Total sugars, 1 gram. Protein, 20 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is not very close to the box. I mean, on the box you can see how the chicken looks so white. The cheese looks pretty melted, but it looks like they put the cheese on after they baked it so they can just melt a little bit on top. Whereas here in real life you can see that the meat, it looks brown. You can kind of barely even see the meat in there really, whereas on the box it looks like it's just packed and stuffed with meat, like it's just meat just overflowing, whereas in real life it doesn't appear to be that way. And I actually cut the ends of this off so that we can see inside to where the meat is, but you don't really see too much. Another thing I noticed on the box is that you don't see too much of the sauce on the plate. Whereas in real life, there is a ton of sauce left in each one of the containers that it was cooked in. It's almost like a soup. And this is just the soup or the sauce just from one container. If I had poured the other container of sauce in there, it would basically be higher than the chicken enchiladas themselves. So this definitely is not the same as the way it appears on the box. You can definitely smell the spices from the sauce that's on here. I can't really smell the Monterey Jack or I can smell jalapenos maybe a little bit. It smells okay. It doesn't really smell like an authentic Mexican dish. It smells like, see, the box says that it has Salsa Roja, maybe that's what I smell, the Salsa Roja. Monterey Jack cheese made with chicken and cheese tortilla. If I had ordered this from a restaurant, I don't think I would want to eat it. It looks, It's hard to describe how it smells. It smells. I can smell the tortilla. Maybe that's what I smell the most, the tortilla. Yeah, I can smell the tortilla, the cheese. The kitchen didn't really smell that great when I cooked it. Overall, it doesn't. It just smells basic. It's the only way I can describe it. It smells basic. The taste so far has made up for the way it smells and the way it looks. It tastes pretty good. I do like the flavor. That Salsa Roja's flavor has a little bit of spiciness to it, a little kick to it. The cheese, the way it melted on top of the enchilada, that's really good too. Let's try it again. Okay. Is it real good? Like the box said? I don't think so. Definitely not real good. Maybe close to good. Maybe somewhat okay. Maybe they should name the company Real Okay Food Company. I don't know. Definitely not Real Good Company.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 5. Next up is taste. 6. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 5.
Boo! Boo!
Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? Do it now. And if there's a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave a comment below, and if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust